Dear student, welcome to Angan Public School. Hope you all are doing good. Student, this is the workbook of science for standard 8 and today we are going to finish this chapter number 6, that is combustion and flame. So let's start with this two. What is the acid rain and state its effect. So diesel and petrol fuels give off gaseous oxide of sulfur and nitrogen oxide. Of sulfur and nitrogen dissolve in rain water एंड फॉर्म्स एसिड. एसिड के फॉर्म में वो डिज़ोल्व हो गए और वो क्या करेंगे, डिस्ट्रक्शन बहुत सारा करेंगे बिल्डिंग्स वगैरह, ट्रीज़ के लीव्स में, फॉरेस्ट वगैरह पे, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं, एसिड रेन. सो इफेक्ट क्या होगी, लीव्स ऑन द ट्री आर डिस्ट्रॉयड, द फॉरेस्ट इज डिस्ट्रॉयड, द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द सोइल डिक्रीजेज, डैमेज टू बिल्डिंग्स आर द मार्बल आर्किटेक्चर. Third, what is the ideal fuel and what kind of the ideal fuel should it be? A fuel which produces a large amount of heat, it doesn't leave behind any undesirable substance, is called ideal fuel. And characteristic of an ideal fuel are, it is the readily available, it burns easily in the air at a moderate rate, it produces a large amount of heat and it doesn't leave behind any undesirable substances. चलो नेक्स्ट है, वी हैव टू मूव ऑन एक्टिविटीज़ एंड देयर इज़ अ 3 एक्टिविटी इन योर वर्कबुक. सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ टू अंडरस्टैंड द रोल played by air in the process of combustion. So what material required? Candle, matchbox, wooden block, table, glass slide and glass chimney. A, B and C, these 3 फिगर है. इट एयर इज़ नेसेसरी इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्बिशन. यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे जगह है एयर के सर्कुलेशन के लिए, इसलिए कैंडल ब्लो होगी. यहाँ पे प्लेस नहीं है तो फ्लिकर होगी, और यहाँ पे दोनों तरफ से क्लोज है तो एयर सर्कुलेशन नहीं होगा, तो एयर की एब्सेंस में कैंडल बर्न होगी नहीं. So procedure, fix a candle on a table and put a glass chimney over it, rest the candle on the few wooden block and such that air can enter the chimney. Observe the flame of the candle. Second, remove the wooden block and raise the chimney on the table. Observe the flame of the candle again. Third, put a glass plate over the chimney and observe the flame. So observation is, first, the candle burns freely. Second, the flame of the candle flickers and produces smoke. Third, the flame of the candle is put off. So conclusion is, air can enter the chimney from the below, the candle burns freely. When air doesn't enter the chimney from below, the flame of the candle flicker and produce smoke. Third, when air is not available, the flame is the candle is put off. Second, the show that the substance start burning of ignition temperature. So apparatus and material required in this activity are candle, water and paper cups. Look at this figure. In the first figure, in paper cup fill with the water and paper cup without water. Procedure, pour about 50 ml of water in one of the cups and keep other cup empty. Second, heat both the cups separately with the candle and observe them. Observation, the first empty paper cup starts burning. Second, the paper cup filled with water doesn't burn. Water in it will become hot. Conclusion is, by heating the paper cup filled with the water will be absorb the heat and the ignition temperature of paper is not reached and it doesn't burn. Third, to study the structure of the candle's flame. So apparatus and materials required in this activity are candle, matchbox, glass tube, pair of tongs and glass slide and copper wire. Procedure, light a candle. Second, hold a glass tube with a pair of tongs and introduce its one end in the dark zone of the non-flickering candle flame. Third, put a burning match near the other end of the glass tube and observe it. So procedure is, hold a glass plate or glass slide into luminous zone of the flame. Second, remove glass slide and observe it. Procedure C में क्या करना है, hold a copper wire goes inside the outermost zone flame for about 30 seconds. Observation, flame appear near the end of the glass tube. B, blackish ring is formed on the glass side. C, the copper wire just outside the flame become red hot. Conclusion is, the molten wax of the candle rises through the wick and vaporizes, which gives a flame near the other end of the glass tube. B, unburnt carbon particle deposit on the glass side in the luminous zone of the flame. C, copper wire becomes red hot because the temperature of the outermost zone of the flame is too high. Okay, so students, hope you all have got it. Here we completed this session and also complete this chapter number 6. So you must have to fill this chapter in your workbook with the help of PDF that I sent in your application. Okay, so here I am going to end up this lecture and we will meet again in next lecture with a new chapter. So till then, next session, keep learning, stay home and stay safe.